Hello, guys. This video will show you how to create and send sourcing requests to agents. To source products from agents, you need to create a sourcing request. Log into your Deezer's dashboard and navigate to Agent Sourcing. Click on the Start Sourcing button to open the sidecard. Expand the type card and select Dropshipping Agent or Wholesale Agent. Expand the Product Details card and click the plus Add Products button. In the Add Product card, stay under the Importing Product Information tab or switch to the Manually Create tab. If you choose the first tab, you can click on Select an Ad mode and choose whether to import from your store or import from a supplier platform. If you choose Import from your store, you can select a sales channel and a store. Select checkboxes before the products you desire, up to 5, and click the Import. If you choose Import from AliExpress or Tmall or Temu or Agent or 1688 Wholesale, you need to copy the product URL from the corresponding supplier platform and paste it in the search box and click the Search button. If you switch to the Manually Create tab, in the Product Information part, enter the product name in the input box under Product Name. Under Upload Images, click the Add button and choose an image to open it. Under Options and SKUs, enter a product option in the Option 1 box and corresponding values in the Values box. If you have more than one option, continue to add them here. Under SKU, add images to each SKU and enter numbers in the volume boxes to specify the product inventory. Click the Create button to save the product information. For the Buying Frequency input box, enter a number in it to determine how often you will buy the product from agents per week. Expand Shipping and Fulfillment, select the ship to countries you want to set for the product. The payment part is optional. You can choose your wanted payment methods to pay the supplier. Click the Save Draft button and publish it later, or click the Publish button to publish it right now. Once you have created a sourcing request, you can manage it in Deezer's. If you save the sourcing request as draft after you create it, it will be marked as draft under Status. Under Action, click on More Action to choose one operation option. Click Publish to publish the sourcing request to allow eligible agents to see them. Click Edit to open the sourcing request pages so that you can modify the sourcing details. Click Duplicate to generate a new sourcing request that is the same as the original one. Click Delete to delete the sourcing request. If you publish the sourcing request after you create it, it will be marked as published under Status. Under Action, click on More Action to choose one operation option. Click Check Details to check your saved sourcing request page. Click Duplicate to clone the sourcing request. Click Close to make the published sourcing request page go offline. If you close the sourcing request, it will be marked as closed under Status. Under Action, click on More Action to choose one operation option. Click Check Details to check your saved sourcing request page. Click Duplicate to clone the sourcing request. Click Delete to delete the sourcing request. When you receive quotations from agents, you can deal with them for further cooperation. Locate the sourcing request you have got quotations and click Check Quotations under Action. Under Quotation, click Check Quotations to check the quotation for the sourcing request. If you receive the quotation from a dropshipping agent on platforms like AliExpress, the quotation will be marked as pending and you can accept or reject the quotation. You can also click Contact Agent to be taken to the message center to chat with the agent. If you accept the quotation status will be changed to Accepted. You can now click Map to this agent to match your products to this agent. Click Contact Agent to chat with agents when necessary. Click Publish to Store to push products you map to agents to your store. If you reject the quotation status will be changed to Rejected. But you can still contact agents if necessary. If you receive the quotation from a wholesale agent like 1688 Wholesale, the quotation will also be marked as pending. You can click Contact Agent to be redirected to the message center and chat with agents. Also, you can click Create Order to be taken to the Open Orders page and create an order placed to the wholesale agent. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Happy dropshipping!